with meteorologist Sarah Gannon.
We are seeing some wet and even stormy conditions out there across portions of southern Minnesota, northern Iowa. This rain will gradually come to an end here in the next couple of hours. But to kick off here this evening, starting off with an alert, we have a flash flood warning for portions of southern Minnesota, northern Iowa. This does even stretch across the river into Wisconsin. So Allen-McKee and Winneshiek counties both under this warning, even portions of Houston County and just across the river, Vernon County in this as well. So this will be in effect until 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. And this is an area that has already seen quite a bit of rainfall. Just in that last system, Wednesday night into Thursday, already saw 1 to 2 inches fall during that time frame. So far today, have seen an additional 1 to 2 inches, according to radar and what the National Weather Service has reported. But still more rainfall on the way. So in that area specifically, seeing a lot of heavy rainfall moving through. You can see here with future track radar, we have plenty of rain still moving through the region. Notice the yellows and the oranges indicating more moderate to heavy rainfall. We still have a few thunderstorms out there, so those will likely produce some heavier rainfall as well. Zooming in briefly here to Olmsted County, you can see some heavy rainfall throughout parts of Rochester, down towards Stewartville, back towards Rockdale, moving through Marion, and heading towards the St. Charles area, even up towards Plainview, looking at some heavy rainfall. So pockets of heavy rainfall will continue here over the next couple of hours, and we still have just a little bit more time where we have that rain threat for the region. Notice as thunderstorms continue to push to the east and northeast. We'll see that continue for a little more rainfall over the next couple of hours. So timing things out here with future track. After about midnight, we'll really start to see these showers and thunderstorms kind of dissipating and continuing to push east. And most of this rain activity should be out of here by about 3 a.m. early tomorrow morning. And we'll get a couple hours of some dry conditions. So we'll start off Saturday morning on a dry note. However, as we move into the midday, closer to the lunch hour and into the afternoon, notice the little dots on there, the blues, the pinks, a chance for maybe a few flurries, some stray snow showers, even a little bit of wintry mix may be possible as well. Little to no accumulation is expected with that, but we may have to watch out just for a couple slick spots here, especially on any untreated surfaces. Like I said, that heavy rainfall still moving through the region. Some spots could still pick up an additional inch or so of rainfall when all is said and done here as we move into the remainder of tonight. So looking ahead to Sunday, some sunshine on the forecast here, especially nicer to get outside for Easter Sunday there. Rochester area could be looking at high temperatures into the upper 40s, some spots in the low 50s. Winds will be breezy, so it will be a little bit more brisk here, but at least the day will be dry. We're looking to see a couple days next week with dry conditions. Unfortunately, though, rain does return Thursday, extending into the weekend. With that rain comes a little bit more warmth. High temperatures there looking to transition from the 30s on Monday, 60s by Wednesday. Next weekend, more 50s on the horizon.
Well, I'm sure the Easter Bunny, because we know he or she is watching, likes the fact that he or she will not get wet.
I'm sure they're going to love that.
Thank you for that.